Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix to change stores. You must cancel Apple Music subscription on any iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you are having an issue that you have to change stores, you must have to cancel your Apple Music subscription. So let's see how can you fix that error. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection via your Wi-Fi or cellular, and then you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Go for setting, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Or if you have any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. And once you have disconnected your VPN, you have to open your settings, and then you have to make sure that you are not subscribed to any Apple services like Apple Music or Apple TV. So you have to unsubscribe if you are subscribed anyone. So you just have to tap on your Apple ID here, and here you just have to look for the option of subscriptions. Select that, and here you just have to verify yourself first, and then you will get this type page. You can see I haven't subscribed to anyone, or if you have any subscriptions here, you will find them here, and you just have to cancel your subscription first, and then you will not get any issue. So in this way you can easily fix. If you're having that to change stores, you must have to cancel your Apple Music subscription. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.